Hi guys, Simply AlRitch here. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete watch history on YouTube. So first you need to open your YouTube app and then, okay, at the right side section where you will see your profile photo, click on that one and go to settings, and then you will see here manage all history. Click on that one. So if you have different accounts logged into your device, select the account that you want to clear the history. So for this example, I'm going to select this one, AlRitch.marine. Okay, so there's saving your YouTube history, auto delete 3 months. You can click on that one, or for me, I'm just going to delete everything. So click on delete. You can delete today. You can choose the day you want to delete, or you can delete all time. So for me, for this example, we are going to choose delete all time. Okay, click on that one. Then confirm you would like to delete the following activity. So there are only like three, yeah, three activities here. Let's try to preview. Yeah, there are so many here. If you click on preview, okay, I'm going to delete on that one. So that's it, guys. So everything is now deleted. So that's how easy it is to delete your YouTube watch history on mobile. Thank you. Bye.